Hello viewers, in this video we see about easy way of unloading the excavator. We are watching the excavator from the company Kobelco. Kobelco is a Japan company. We have one of the manufacturing unit in Sri City. The city is located in Andhra Pradesh, India. Excavators are typically transported between workplaces on a track body, trailer or low loader, requiring a person to either load or unload an excavator utilizing access ramp or other means. First, clear and level the unloading site, and then the process of unloading the excavator without taking any assistance of other machines. And next, to take a help of the unload the bucket at low ideal revolution per minute using economic mode of the excavator. In the next video, I will explain the remaining modes of excavator. Then, using economic mode, kept track condition as a tortoise mode. While moving the excavator forward, the truck engine condition must be start. Then slowly unload the excavator. Thank you for watching this video.